A powerful snowstorm has swept across parts of the United States, disrupting daily life and travel. Rochester, New York witnessed heavy snowfall overnight, blanketing roads, vehicles, and neighborhoods under thick layers of snow. Early morning visuals showed residents navigating icy streets as authorities worked to clear pathways and restore normalcy. The storm has led to flight delays, traffic snails, and warnings from weather officials urging people to stay indoors unless necessary. Emergency services remain on alert, with the teams deployed to assist stranded commuters and ensure public safety. The snowstorm has transformed Rochester into a winter landscape, but the challenges of mobility and safety continue to loom large.